Hello friends. More students than ever before are turning to online learning to further their education. In fact, studies indicate that roughly one third of all students are now taking at least one online courses. Given to benefits of online learning like adding flexibility, broader perspectives and improved collaboration, it's easy to see why so many students are drawn to virtual classes. For students who are new to online learning, like those affected by school closure due to COVID-19 pandemic, or those simply looking to make a change, transitioning to online learning can take some getting used to. And if you are adjusting to a full-time online program or balancing school and work, it's critical to be able to manage your time effectively. Whether you have chosen to pursue online learning or you have been thrust into it, there are key skills you will need to make the most out of the online education, including time management. The importance of time management for students. One of the most valuable skills you can have as an online student is effective time management. The better you manage your time, the easier it is to achieve your goals. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day, meaning it's not about how much time you have, but how well you have managed it. This is especially important for online students who are often working full time, taking care of family, or juggling other commitments. Without the camaraderie of a class to motivate you or having a set time where you need to be on campus, effective time management is crucial to help you stay focused. Effective time management is only helps you with your learning but can also make you more productive at work and in your personal life. If you are serious about successfully completing your online degree, it's crucial to find a good system to use. Below are 7 time management tips to help you stay ahead of your coursework. Number 1. Plan ahead. Your hectic schedule combined with daily distraction can easily get in the way of finishing tasks. The best online students know how to set aside time to focus. This includes having a consistent time and workspace, tuning out those distractions and avoiding surfing the internet. Despite the flexibility in being online students, it's important to have frequent engagement with your studies throughout a week. Provide plenty of time to space out your required readings, assignments, and online discussions. Consider purchasing a calendar you can use to plan your daily and weekly assignments, highlighting assignments due, including drafts and final submission, activities related to your program such as study group, meetups, or non-campus networking events, virtual or in-person office hours with professor and advisors. Melanie Kasperin, Associate Director of Assignment of the Northeastern University College of Professional Studies, shares a simple schedule of what typical week might look like. Monday, being required readings and multimedia. Tuesday, continue reviewing materials. Wednesday, post to discussion forum and being assignments. Thursday, continue posting and working on assignments. Friday, read and respond to post, work on assignments. Saturday, read and respond to post and finish assignments. Sunday, check your work and submit assignments. Number 2. Don't multitask. Avoid multitasking, which can actually decrease your productivity. Focus on one assignment at a time and zero in the specific task at hand. Whatever that's studying for an exam, reading a textbook, emailing a professor, or participating in online forum. Arrange your task in order of importance and pay attention to the 3 or 4 critical tasks that require the more effort. If you need help staying focused, then consider creating lists using a project management tool such as Trello or Smartsheet to help organize tasks. If you prefer a traditional to-do list, then look at digital notebooks like Todoist, Wunderlist, or Evernote. Lastly, concentrate on what needs to get done in the present and avoid anything too far off. If it's small assignment that you don't need to address or several weeks, put it on your calendar to focus on when the deadline is closer. Number 3. Set up your virtual office. Whatever you study at home or your local cafe, it's important to work in the optimal setting needed to complete your work. Make sure there's high-speed internet and that you are in comfortable space with your right lighting, sounds, and background. For example, some people prefer to work with headphones, and while others prefer silence or ambient backdrop with people quietly chatting. Sit in comfortable chair and make sure that lighting isn't too dim. Close out your browser windows and put your phone away. Along with these elements, make sure you have all required materials such as textbooks and industry-specific software. Set up as much you can ahead of time to stay on task with your coursework. Number 4. Block out distractions. Make sure to avoid surfing the web excessively. It's easy to become distracted by the news or favorite celebrity gossip sites. Stay focused on avoiding Facebook, Twitter, and other social media tools when you need to concentrate on your studies. If you are struggling to stay focused, consider the Pomodoro method. This technique helps you to productivity by arranging how to work to increase efficiency. The tool builds on 25 minutes work session, optimizing your time to focus on your online studies. The best way to use this method is to set a timer for 25 minutes and work uninterrupted for the scheduled period. Take a 5-minute break to grab a coffee, check mails, or do something else. Once you have completed your work session, treat yourself to a longer 15 minutes break. Number 5. Reward yourself. It's important to reward yourself after a job well done in order to avoid burnout. Otherwise, it will be difficult to concentrate on even the simplest tasks. You can reward yourself by celebrating your accomplishments and treating yourself to something you truly enjoy. Whether that's watching your favorite shows or Netflix or going out to a nice dinner and a movie. If you have been working on an assignment for several months in a row, then take a week off when you are finished. Number 6. Create a balance. In addition to rewarding yourself, it's also important to find a balance between coursework and your obligations, especially if you are juggling school and work. To help create an effective balance and avoid burning out, be sure to prioritize your time in a way that allows you to focus on school, work, and your personal life when you need to. Creating a predictable schedule can help you get into a routine that works for your lifestyle and allows to dedicate your full attention to each aspect of your life at given time. Number 7. Get a good night's sleep. Sleep is essential to rest your body and keep your mind fresh for the next day. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of rest at a night. Pulling all-nighters is less productivity than studying consistently. Include sleep in your schedule and you can reap huge rewards. Trust me, if you do these simple things by making a rhythm and habit, this one thing will help you to manage your time as well as fulfill your goals. Experts have noticed that the power of these simple time management tips in many students' lives, so don't take leniently. Now brief recall of these 7 time management tips. Number 1. Plan ahead. Number 2. Don't multitask. Number 3. Set up your virtual office. Number 4. Block out distractions. Number 5. Reward yourself. Number 6. Create a balance. Number 7. Get a good night's sleep. This was the 7 management tips for online students. Do subscribe if you find my videos useful and do click bell icon after subscribing, or else you will miss my videos and its notification. Like if you find my videos knowledgeable and useful, and don't forget to comment. Share this video with your friends and family, even they learn this useful knowledge, and my channel will also get support. And finally, thanks for watching.